Now I'd like to discuss the duration of transitions. And to do this, I'll drag the dissolve transition between these two clips. And so we can look at this, and we can see that the two clips are cross-faded. And the length of this transition is something I'd like to look at. With Shift and the right mouse button, I can zoom into this section. And when I've selected this transition with the left mouse button, I can use the right mouse button to call up this context menu. However, as we can't see all of it for the minute, I'll go up into the Clip menu. And there, I can see the options as well. And here, we can see the function duration, which can be called up by Alt and U. We've come across this before. If I call this up, then, in this case, the length of our transition is shown, as I've just selected the transition. And here, I can see that this transition is exactly 1 second long. And of course, I could specify a different length in this field. For example, I could type 2, 0, 0 for 2 seconds and 0 frames, and confirm with OK. And now this transition will be lengthened to a duration of 2 seconds. And by the way, when this transition is selected, I can also see all of this information in the information palette here. Now I'd like to insert another transition. I'll jump to the next edit point by using the S key to jump to it. And then, once again, I'll use Dissolve. And if I look at the duration of this, Dissolve is selected, I can look at it in the information palette here. And here we can see that it is once again set to the standard length of 1 second. And if I wanted to insert quite a few identical transitions that had the same duration, then it would be quite practical if I could specify this standard duration. And of course, this is possible. And how to do this, we can look at in the next lesson.